Bestie, so we're in Dollar Tree, girl. We need to get a basket for Mother Day and just some purple stuff. So my mama's favorite color is purple, so we're trying to find like anything that's like purpley. So my mama's favorite color is purple, so we're trying to find nothing purple, but I got her pink because like that's like a Mother Day color, like pink and purple. I'm trying to find anything else purple because her favorite color is purple, but they don't really have nothing purpley in here. So Bestie, look what I found. So I found these little rainbow brownie kisses, Hershey kisses, and they're purple, so we'll get some of those. And yeah. So I'm trying to see, do I see like anything else purpley, but I don't see anything else purpley. So the favorite color is purple. I like purple stuff, but I don't see purple. And I wish they had a purple basket, but they don't. So let's see what's here. Bestie, I was trying to find anything else purpley, but I don't see anything else purple. Besties, don't never say I never like put you on to nothing. These chips are like my favorite chips ever. We're gonna get two bags. So these ones are like the bomb. So don't never say I never put you on, Bestie. But Bestie, I need to find like another basket, Bestie. I got like my mom like a lot of stuff. So let's see if we can find another basket. Maybe I should have got a buggy, but I don't like want her seeing it. And we gotta get her a Mother Day card as well. Her seeing like anything else purpley for her. I was trying to see if they had like a purple cup or something, but I don't see nothing purpley. So y'all must took all the purple stuff, Bestie, because I do not see nothing purple. Girl, okay, so I'm trying to find anything else purpley, but I don't see nothing else purple. So I'm trying to see what else basket, because I got like a lot of stuff. What is this? And then we gotta get a birthday bag for my auntie birthday. So my auntie favorite color, her color is blue. So we're gonna have like a blue bag, or I like this bag. We'll give her this. We'll get my auntie this bag because her birthday is May 25th, and y'all know I hate waiting until last minute. So we're just gonna get her this already. I should have made besties. I see something purple. Y'all know I'm all about detail, so I think we're gonna get this little purple thing because her favorite color is purple. So we'll get her. Besties, now let's find a Mother Day card. I'm gonna give y'all two. I get all of my cards from Dollar Tree. Why? Because it's just paper. But you know, okay, so let's find like a good, cute Mother Day card. Like this says, Mom, you are amazing. You deserve the best on Mother's Day. Already have me, so what more could you ask for? Okay, I like that. But let's look at this, because her favorite color is purple, so I'm trying to find something with purple. Okay, this says, for Mom with love and thanks. Let's read it. You live and the person you are, your goodness will make you such a blessing to your family. Thank you for the special mom you are. Have love it. Basically, what should we get? I like both of them. I like the purple one, the purple her favorite color, and I like the pink one. We'll get her this one. We need to find a birthday card for my auntie because her birthday is May 25th, and y'all know I do not wait until the last minute. Ooh, it says aunt birthday. Period. Celebrate you on your birthday and always life so much better when you're in a happy birthday. I want to find like something that actually says auntie on it for a wonderful aunt. May special joys brighten your day as I thought you always brought. So we got a card from Bestie.